Hello, Business 145 Intro to Business Communication students. I'm so glad to have you in my class this term. We are going to have a very fun time writing business literature, memos, emails, documents, and speaking in a business style of format. Communication is so important to business. It's so important to our personal lives, and it's so important to the success of so many things. Join me on this journey beginning on the 20th of December, and our class will go through February 17th. We have a break this term for the holidays from December 24th through January 1st. While you can work on your course, faculty will likely not be available to help much that week. I encourage you all to spend time doing what you love best around the holidays, whether it's with family, relaxing with friends, or just chilling out. Do what you can do. And in that vein of thought, we have 1 week until the break. So it's really important that you get started in your course beginning Monday, beginning the first week of class, and come to my first live meeting. That live meeting will be held on Wednesday, December 22nd at 8 a.m. or again at 6 p.m. The next live meeting after December 22nd won't be until January 12th. So I really encourage you to get going that first week of class, work on your learnits, get started, come to my live meeting. We're going to have fun. It's a fun course, it's a fun topic, and really, really important to both your personal life and to your business life. I will see you then.